In 2020, we showcased on Indiegogo for our very first portable APPLEWOOD pellet grill. Raised $1.4 million, shipped over 30 countries worldwide, resulting in more than 8,500 happy grillers. We've done it before and are upping the game once again. Our grillers enjoy modern efficiency, but also insist, and are particular with, true natural smoky flavors. This year, we're introducing the new AS350 portable APPLEWOOD pellet grill and smoker. Our brand new technology, ASMOKE ASCA system. A revolutionary design that comes with a liquid tray and an ash cleaning tray. What this is, after liquid vaporizes at 600 degrees Celsius, it forms superheated steams. Superheated steam exists in the form of microwaves and processes food autonomously. In fact, 3 times faster than traditional grills. As for the liquid tray, you can pour in liquid seasonings, wine, diluted sauces, whatever floats your boat. Under high temperature, your food can be processed quicker and tastier. The cool-down vapor will flow through the oven ducts to clean and auto-collect pellet ashes on the bottom tray. With flavors, we are the first portable and versatile APPLEWOOD grill that uses 100% all-natural APPLEWOOD pellets. Whether you're in the mood for prime rib roast or barbecue chicken, ASMOKE's versatility lets you grill, smoke, barbecue, bake, roast, braise, sear, and char grill all in one. With our Smart Color LED temperature control, you'll always get a quick start, consistent heat, and be able to save up to 20% of pellet usage over traditional grills. With quality, we built the AS350 with high-quality metals and premium porcelain non-stick coating. It's also equipped with a side bucket to collect extra oil and grease for easy disposing. We've come a long way for you, and now we're asking you to back us and make this a reality for many to enjoy. Order your AS350 now